Okay, my dear friends, my dear students, my dear children, today you have completed your 3 months. We started this batch on 25th of April, and I am very much happy that this batch is going very well. I am very much satisfied with your performance, with your hard work, whatever you are doing. I am very happy that you are following my instructions, and I hope that if you continue this practice, you know very well by now. I think you have known it. It has been known to you very well that this is a skill, communication skill, and very powerful skill. English communication skill is very powerful at present time. It is a strong weapon if you have it. If you have it, because you are living in global era. If you have it, you can do too much. Having this language just like a weapon or as just like a tool with you so that you can communicate properly everywhere, not only in India, not only in Rajasthan, but everywhere in the world. So this is not a small thing. Make it clear. So that is why people send their children to study in English medium schools, because they think that if they go to English medium schools, they would learn, they would be able to speak English, they would be able to understand English. But unfortunately, it is not true. There are very few English medium schools or Hindi medium schools of whose children are able to use this language practically. This is a misfortune. But I am happy that I do here this work. I make people able to use this language practically. And the living proof of it is you all who know very well that where are you. So I want to know from you that what is your feedback, and I have told you what you have to speak. So first of all, I am calling Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am student of the Ramban Oriented Full classes from B16 and also from BAT. And today our topic is our feedback. I want to give my feedback regarding this class. First of all, I want to say that I feel better than earlier. And
सुनो ध्यान से, सुनना सीखो, अपने मत थोड़ा सोचो। अब आपको सुनना है, जो मैं कह रहा हूँ उसको सुनो आप। मैं नहीं कर, जो भी बोल रहा है बंदा उसको सुनो, क्या बोल रहा है वो, कैसे बोल रहा है वो। तब आप अपने रटने की कोशिश मत करो, अपने माइंड में भूल जाओ आपको क्या बोलना है। अब सुनो आप बस। यस, ऑटोमेटिकली निकल के
and
आएगा आपके माइंड में से जब आप बोलोगे तो। आप करके देख लो आज। हाँ,
also I want to thank you. Thanks, sir, that you are teaching us very well and you are giving us good education. If today I am speaking English because of sir, if they didn't teach me, I am not able to speak English.
I would not be able.
Yes, sir. I would be not able to speak. And because of him, I am known Englishman in my class because I can speak English well. And when I when I came here, that time I was not able to speak. Not only speak, but also writing, reading, listening, and understanding. But now I am able to do anything because of sir. When I came here, that time I was not sure that I can learn this language and I can speak this language. But now I am speaking. This is very good moment for me that I am speaking English. This was my dream that I should have skill of English, but I have skill of it. As we know that we are a student and we go to school to learn this language, and we are taught English, and we are paying fees at 1,70,000, 60,000, etc. But our but unfortunately we are not able to speak English because of our schools, because they didn't teach us English.
Don't.
They ask us, yes sir, they don't teach us English. They ask us to iterate this language. And this is a language and it can't be iterated because this is a language. You know very well that we speak English and we don't need to iterate this because this is our local language and we can speak it easily. And in our schools we are forced to iterate this language English and also Hindi. You can see in schools most of the students are not able speak Hindi and write Hindi. English is different thing, but they are not able to write Hindi. So I want to say that if I have come here, so I am getting his, I am getting its result, and that is very good. And in middle that time, sir taught us. They rebuked us for our mistake, and some student don't like it. But I like it that without rebuking, we can't do anything in a good manner because rebuking is very important. And sir motivated us to iterate this language, and with English, sir also teach us that what is going on in our world, and he also teaches us that it is important for us or not. So at last, I want to say that thank you, sir. Sir, that's it.
शाबाश.
Thank you, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. और फोकस करना है अभी, ग्रामेटिकली और फोकस करना है अभी, है ना. बाकी नाइस स्पीकिंग, शाबाश. कीप इट अप बेटा. आई एम आल्सो प्राउड ऑफ यू having such a student like you, because I know what were you and what are you now. So because of your hard work, because of my guiding, so I am very much happy at your performance. Shabash. Come on, Aditya.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is our feedback.
आराम से बोलना, घबराना नहीं. हिंदी में तो हिंदी में बोलना. तू घबरा मत. तू बस फ्री है, तू बिल्कुल फ्री माइंड होकर के बोल. बात खत्म.
Yes, sir.
अंग्रेजी हम सब करवा लेंगे. नो टेंशन. बोल, तू बोल.
Yes, sir. I am I am very happy my performance and any this my speak developed in this 3 months.
हम्म.
I am very proud of my success, and I in I I and I I can develop this skill. I like I and thanks to sir gave us many habits and confidence. First first year I cannot speak English, but today my uh, level is increased in this in 3 months.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, that's it.
Very good. शाबाश, अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला तूने आज जो भी बोला. व्हाट यू स्पोक कॉन्फिडेंटली. कीप इट अप. डोंट वरी. बहुत अच्छा बोलोगे तुम, बहुत जल्दी बोलोगे. बस मेहनत करते रहो, ठीक है. नथिंग टू वरी. बस करते रहो तुम मेहनत. ओके बेटा. शाबाश. वेरी गुड. एंड यस नाउ दिस इज द नेम ऑफ यामिनी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. As we know, today we have a speaking session in which we we are going to tell about our feedback. So, before starting my feedback, I want to thank you, sir.
हम्म.
आपको मेरा नतमस्तक प्रणाम.
अच्छा.
because you don't teach us, you educate us.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला इसने. वेरी गुड. शी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज टीचिंग एंड व्हाट इज एजुकेशन. ये really I educate you, not I don't teach you. Very good. शाबाश. बोल आगे.
Yes, sir. Because when because when my teachers taught me, I never understand anything. But near when I came towards Rajesh sir,
Towards need to.
to Rajesh sir, I know I known what is the education.
Hmm.
Because in the school there were so many teachers who only known how to how to ratta
Iterate.
how to integrate things. They didn't know how to solve it.
Hmm.
Because of these things, I I always got come marks in my examination, and I'm a very poor student.
M. Okay.
But when I came to Rajesh ji sir,
वर्ब फॉर्म को ध्यान रख थोड़ा सा. प्रेजेंट और पास्ट को माइंड में रख के बोल थोड़ा. हाँ.
when I came to Rajesh ji sir, he educate me. He educate that how to learn, how to make, and how to understand things.
Hmm.
And now when I reach the present position, it is only because of sir.
Hmm.
There is no doubt
Hmm.
about it. Now some new teachers who teaches me, they they said me always, you have good knowledge about English, you have good knowledge about English, but they don't. But when I ask some questions to them, they never answer.
Hmm.
They only said there are no mistakes, there are no errors,
शाबाश. Nice speaking. Very good. I want this way. Yes. Come on.
there are no errors. Who tell you there are errors?
Hmm.
But they don't know that there are so many errors.
Hmm.
Like our today English teacher who only read the book and give us question answers, gives us question answers. They never explain things. But
Hmm.
but when the Rajesh sir taught us, educate us English,
Hmm.
when we read the chapters,
Hmm.
We had so many types of questions. We made so many types of question in the chapters.
Hmm.
We were not to depend in only textual questions, but
Hmm.
now we have to.
Hmm.
Now we have to depend on it because of these classes. Not only my communication skills but also presence of minds, um, skills of writing, skills of reading also improve.
Very good.
And now I and when and now I have the courage of changing our medium,
Hmm.
change my medium because of Rajesh ji sir. If Rajesh ji sir didn't came at the Nisha Didi's home and motivated me, I never changed it.
Hmm.
Now when I'm fully prepared for facing all the problems because of Rajesh ji sir.
Hmm.
Rajesh ji sir, Rajesh ji sir also also give information about the world.
Hmm.
They 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 tell us about practical use of English, not only theoretical.
Hmm.
They tells us what is the importance of this language. They teaches us this language is not more important than Hindi.
Hmm.
Rajesh ji sir teaches us Rajesh ji sir teaches us Hindi to English and also English to Hindi.
Hmm.
By which our Hindi, by which our uh, by which our translation skills also improve. If
Hmm.
a person tells us uh, translate this sentence, now we can translate Hindi to English, English to Hindi
Hmm.
because of Rajesh ji sir. So sir, thank you so much for teaching us because of your nice efforts. Uh, I and all the students reach on now position. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. Nice speaking. Shabash. Every thought was clear. Very good. शाबाश. देखिए क्या होता है कि ऐसा तो कभी हो नहीं सकता. इट कैन नेवर हैपन दैट if you speak and there is no mistake. Even if when we speak Hindi, we make a lot of mistakes. Make it clear. But very nice speaking. I am very happy. Reading करते रहो, writing करते रहो जितना मौका मिले. You will improve yourselves. Some things need hard work, practice, and without these things, you can't do. No one can do it. Make it clear. Okay, very good, Nishant. Now I am calling Nishant.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Nishan. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's I am speaking about my feedback regarding these classes.
Hmm.
I am I am very happy to join these classes. I get a golden chance that I joined these classes. I I learn lot of things by these classes. I improve my skills about English interaction.
Hmm.
In has sir told us that there are many English medium schools, but they are because of their only names that they are English medium.
Hmm.
But there is no English for there is no interaction
Hmm.
for no interaction classes for English.
Hmm.
They only teach subjectives, which is not useful for us
Hmm. Shabash. Nice
in
speaking. Very
future
good. बेटा हाँ बोलता जा
in
बेटा.
future and present. It can't be useful for us.
Hmm.
So due to our education system, we don't learn English in schools.
We
So
can't.
I joined these.
Can't.
We can't learn English in schools. So everyone have to join these classes. So so they improve their interaction. So I want to thank the Rajesh ji sir to teach me English, and due to these classes I am improving day by day
शाबाश बेटा, very good. हाँ.
my my language.
Hmm.
So when I watched when I watched my when I watched these videos of these interaction classes,
Hmm.
I can be motivated from them that I will speak English
Hmm.
in future.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Very good, nice. That is why I post all the recordings, so that you can listen to what you have done, what you have spoken. And if you listen them carefully, definitely you will improve yourselves. This is a way of learning. You can motivate yourselves by listening, by watching your recordings, so that you can judge yourselves that where you were wrong. You must listen to your recordings again and again. Stop, listen, stop, pause, suno, karo. Why? So that you can learn where you are mistaking. And this is very important. This is not just a course. Learning language, learning is just not a course of 3 months, 2 months, 5 months, 7 months. I've been learning this language. I've been trying to perfect myself for the last, 42 years. 42 years. What you have to do, you have to try to make yourselves better than earlier time. This is the main thing. आज आपने क्या किया है, उससे अच्छा आप कल करने की कोशिश करो. आज आपने कल क्या किया है, आपने उससे अच्छा आप परसों और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करो. तब तो मजा आएगा साहब. और वो कैसे आएगा? आज हमने क्या क्या गलतियां की, उससे सीखना. क्यों हुआ ऐसा? पानी पी के दौड़ लगाई थी, सांस फूल गया, पानी नहीं पीना है कल से. और पता चल गया पानी पी के मैंने दौड़ लगाई थी, मेरा सांस फूल गया, और फिर भी दूसरे दिन पानी पी के जा रहे हैं. वो आदमी कभी दौड़ में जीत नहीं सकता. हर आदमी गलती करता है. करना क्या है? यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई योर मिस्टेक्स. ध्यान रखो इन चीजों को, आप माइंड को यूज करो. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई योर मिस्टेक्स एंड देन यू हैव टू ट्राई टू करेक्ट देम. दिस इज द ओनली वे. समझ लीजिए इस बात को अच्छे तरीके से. व्हेन आवर साइंटिस्ट्स लॉन्च्ड ए सैटेलाइट, और क्या था वो, विक्रम था, क्या था, क्या बोलते हो आप उसको? फर्स्ट टाइम वी वर फेल्ड. चंद्रयान. फर्स्ट टाइम वी वर फेल्ड ओनली एट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1 or 2 kilometer. समझ लो आप. बट देन they tried to find out that where there were mistakes, where there were the lacking of their technology or whatever their method is, and then they tried to remove those mistakes, and then they became successful. This is the life. Make it clear. बाकी तो अब क्या बोलूं मैं आपको, आप समझते हो सारी चीजें. ये होती हैं चीजें. ऐसे आदमी आगे जाता है. तब देखो आप कितना जल्दी से आप ग्रो करोगे. तब क्या करोगे आप? पूछो इन लोगों से जो आज अच्छा, और सब लोग बहुत अच्छा. यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल. Train your mind, educate yourselves. Iteration is not the solution, but iteration is a disease. It is a great problem that develops you from moving ahead. So now I am calling Geeta.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Geeta. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 18.
Hmm.
I tell about my feedback.
Hmm.
As we know very well, what is the importance of English
शाबाश.
in
Nice
present
starting.
time.
Nice starting. Nice starting. Nice starting. सुनो, ये सीखा करो. किस तरीके से चीज को शुरू करना चाहिए, नाइस स्टार्टिंग, दीदी है, बड़ी है, एक्सपीरियंस है, समझो उनको, सुनो ध्यान से। वेरी गुड बेटा, बोलो।
Before I join this class, I can't capable to speak English.
कुडंट, बोल बेटा, शाबाश, घबरा मत, ये सब चीजें ठीक हो जाएंगी बेटा। कांट की जगह कुड लगाना, तू तो बोल, मुझे बीच बीच इसलिए बोलना पड़ता है कि तुम सुनना, और चलो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, बोलो आप। एक और अपन एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, बोल बेटा, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया।
I couldn't speak English, but some after, but before 3 years, I I watched my sister to took this class. I realized I joined this class.
शाबाश, मेरे को सब समझ में आ रहा है, गलतियों की चिंता मत कर, उसका भी सॉल्यूशन बताऊंगा मैं तेरे को, बोलती रह तू, बिल्कुल मत डर, बोल आराम से, बिंदास। हाँ,
My sister speak English very easily. Then then I realized I joined this class. When I join this class, I am able to speak English easily.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा बेटा, शाबाश, आई एम हैप्पी, बोल तू।
When I join this class, I feel very very positive.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश।
Before the join this class, I couldn't tell about myself,
वेरी गुड,
but now I I can
कैन,
I should
आई कैन,
I can speak English easily.
वेरी गुड।
It is possible because of you.
Because of your
So I
hard
am
work.
because so I am thankful for you to teach me English, and now I I know English very well.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत
That's
बढ़िया,
it.
बहुत बढ़िया। अब तू तो ये बता, हो गया तेरा कुछ वो था कि भाई एक बार अपन,
That's it.
हो गया ना बेटा? कुछ नहीं है बेटा, सब कुछ अपने एफर्ट्स हैं, कुछ नहीं है, हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं यार लाइफ में। आप सोच के देखो जरा, हैं ये क्या हो रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है? अचीवमेंट्स हैं लाइफ के तुम्हारे, किसी को, हमारा केवल गाइडेंस है, हमारा केवल, बस हमारा केवल गाइडेंस है बेटा, कुछ भी नहीं है। और अभी तो हम और करेंगे ठीक, आपको अभी और बताएंगे हम आपको कैसे क्या, पर फिर भी आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी, बिल्कुल। सबसे ज्यादा तो आपको तो खैर है ही है खुशी, पर आपसे ज्यादा तो मुझे खुशी है। पता है तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा खुशी किसको होती है? भाई एक जो मूर्तिकार होता है ना, वो मूर्ति बनाता है, ये बिल्डिंग बनाता है, तो जब वो देखता है ना अपनी बनाई हुई चीज को, देखता है ना, क्या बिल्डिंग बनाई है मैंने यार, क्या मूर्ति बनाई है मैंने यार, उसको जो हैप्पीनेस जो मिलती है ना, उसको जो खुशी मिलती है ना, वो दुनिया का कोई भी दौलत नहीं दे सकती, कोई भी दौलत नहीं दे सकती। हाँ, और वो मुझे मिलता है, दैट इज वाई आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद माई जॉब, एंड आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड देयर इन स्कूल्स। वहाँ कुछ है ही नहीं करने को, यहाँ पर कुछ है, देखो आ रहा है ना मजा अब। ये वाली बात होती है। आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू गीता, दैट इन odd circumstances, keeping your duty on, you did it, and you are doing it very well. It is found in very few people. I am telling you, have faith on me. This is your passion, this is your interest, this is your honesty towards your learning, that you are here because of me. Yes, but I have only 10% role. First day I told you all that if you do anything, if you learn this language, I have only 10% role. 90% role is yours. Make it clear. Shabash beta. Very good. I am happy. And now
Thank you, sir.
very good, beta. Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from batch P18. Today's my topic is feedback.
Hmm.
So first of all, I saying thank you, sir, for teaching me.
Hmm.
Sir, you gives me many things, many gifts. Like you teaches me English. It is it is very big gift for me. You gives me motivation,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
I speak English for you.
For you, because of you.
Because of you.
Hmm.
My school teacher judged me to my hairs, my hairstyle, but you judge me my education.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, that's it.
शाबाश यार, बहुत बढ़िया बोला है तू. शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट इसको कहते हैं. वेरी गुड. आई एम हैप्पी बेटा. कीप इट अप. शाबाश. एंड नाउ लक्ष्मी.
यस सर। सर हिंदी में बोल रहे।
बोल दे.
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज लक्ष्मी महावर. टुडे टॉपिक माय फीडबैक. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
कहाँ गई? कहाँ गई है छोरी? कहाँ गई?
सर यही हो.
तो बोलना. कैमरा चालू कर तेरा. इमोशनल हो गई है तो.
नहीं सर.
इमोशनल नहीं होना है तुम्हें. कैमरा चालू कर तेरा छोरी.
तो बोलती हूँ. जब मैं पहली बार आई थी तब मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन भी देना नहीं आया था, बट अब मुझे आता है. पहले मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट, वर्ब क्या होती है. आज मुझे सब कुछ पता है. थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है,
इतना ही बोलूंगी.
इतना ही बोलेगी. चल कोई बात नहीं. ओके, अच्छा है. हाँ लकी भैया.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Verva. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 16. Today I am telling about my feedback. As we know that in English is very important and international language. Some time ago I couldn't speak English and I couldn't write and also understand English. Uh, I didn't know anything in those days. When I read in 10th class, most of the time I was very cry those days. Uh, I I didn't like English those days. Some of the time, sir think in this mind that I will not able to speak English properly. Mm, but after some time, I could speak English and I also could speak English,
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत
write
अच्छा बोला.
English. Uh, I speak I speak English properly, and if anyone can speak English and I can understand in English. Uh, so my experience is very nice and I will be better speak English after some days, and I believe in myself, and I also believe Guruji that he will be learn learn better English in a one day. I am very proud of Guruji that I am a student of Guruji, so I am very lucky. Yes, sir, that's it.
Yes, you are lucky, lucky. You are lucky. You are double lucky.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice speaking, बेटा शाबाश. कंटिन्यू करते रहो, मेहनत करते रहो बेटा, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो. श्री,
Hello everyone, I'm Shri. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes.
कैमरा चालू
Today
कर
I'm
ले तेरा पागल.
today
बोल.
I'm here to tell, today I'm here to give my feedback regarding these classes.
हम्म,
I have been taking these classes from 3 months.
हम्म,
I have learned a lot in these classes.
हम्म,
And as you all know that English is a very important language, and it is international language.
हम्म,
If we go in other countries, we can communicate in English if we don't know their language. So
हम्म,
it is very important. And before joining these classes, I was not able to understand and to speak English. And I thought that it is very hard to speak English. But after joining these classes, I learned so much, and now I can speak English easily, and I can understand also. And it is and in present time I can make my own I can make my own answers in English. So thank you, sir, for teaching me.
very good बेटा.
That's it.
Nice speaking बेटा, शाबाश बेटा. Keep it up बेटा. Very good बेटा. Now, lucky Shri Ronak.
Sir, before 3 months, I couldn't speak English. I didn't like English. Before 2 years, I go to school for admit in English medium. But principal can say I couldn't speak English. I don't admit in English medium. My 8% is very bad. But but this day I speak English, and I'm sure my ninth my percentage is very nice. So thank you, sir. You teach me. Thank you, sir. That's it, sir.
Very good बेटा. Nice speaking बेटा, शाबाश. Keep it up. Very good. And now, at the last, I have the name of Vaishnavi. Come on,
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi. Try to be fast
Hello,
next
everyone.
time,
Yes, sir.
not the last.
Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today my topic is feedback. Before joining this class, I can't understand English, and, and my some friends speak English. I so I understood what they are speaking, but I feel very hesitated to speak them. And after joining this class, I
शाबाश
can
बेटा.
speak English very
Very,
well,
very good बेटा. चल.
and
हाँ.
I can speak any topic in English.
हम्म.
So because of Mr. Rajesh ji sir, he teach me English in very good method, and thank you sir for this. And
हम्म.
so that's it.
शाबाश. I'm proud of you also, and I am very happy that I have students like you. You all. I'm very happy at your performance. So today, I think all have taken their turn. There is no one. So I'm closing the recording, and I will tell you the way how to improve yourselves. अब क्या करना है आपको next, उसका मैं अब आपको एक तरीका बताऊंगा, आप फॉलो करना उसको. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.